casting as you're drifting down?
Well, I was a bit worried about Shane's ride. I thought I'll wait until I'm on the ground.
Yep. The pin's broken.
Yeah.
Start a button, see if it's actually even going to turn over.
That side of things is alright. Yep. So, now that one's about straight. Yep. Yep.
So,
What do you want to do there then?
how far under
Well, put it this way. Are you better to do it from?
that can go into there, and that can go into there, but if that will actually go through the hole, is probably the next question.
Close, but no cigar. Let's stop on whichever one we're up to now.
That one there. Actually, should we wander up to the hut? There might be a bit of wire or something lying around.
Yeah, might as well.
Bit of fencing wire. Yeah, it's tapping this other one out. Yep.
Well,
Another one.
okay. That's better,
That's
isn't
better.
it? One on the other side or not?
Yeah, what is it? Poor old horse.
Yeah, I don't think it's really a biggie, is it?
No. Yeah, it's bent it over.
Fuck, that'll do, won't it?
So working in the Ford dealership, isn't it?
Mate, that's...
From under the hut.
Yeah, that one was. We burn that tonight.
I think that might be.
It's pretty green though, is it?
Oh,
Fuck yeah.
okay.
What do you got? You look a bit tippy.
Hey?
You look a bit tippy. Oh, well done.